In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Sendgrid API key. An API key is what allows your applications, websites, or tools to securely talk to your Sendgrid account without you needing to log in every time. Getting this set up correctly is important for both security and reliability, so we'll walk through the process slowly and clearly. First, make sure you're logged in to your Sendgrid account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand navigation menu, find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings, and from the drop-down that appears, select API Keys. This is the section where you can create new keys and manage existing ones. On the API Keys page, look toward the top right corner. You should see a button that says Create API Key. Click that button to start creating a new key. This will open a form where you'll define what this key is for and how much access it has. The first thing you'll do here is give your API key a name. In the API key name field, type something descriptive that tells you what this key will be used for. For example, you might call it Website Contact Form or Marketing Automation Tool. The goal is to make it easy to recognize later, especially if you end up creating multiple keys. Next, you'll choose the level of permissions for this key. This is a critical step for security. You'll see a few options. Full access gives this key permission to access all parts of your account. This is powerful, so only use it if you truly need it. Custom access lets you fine-tune access to specific areas of your account, while excluding sensitive areas like billing and email address validation. This is usually the best choice when you want to follow the principle of least privilege. Finally, there's billing access, which allows the key to access billing-related endpoints. This is more common for enterprise setups or when a separate system needs to manage account billing details. Once you've chosen the level of access that makes sense for your use case, click the Create and View button. Sendgrid will now generate your new API key. You'll see the key displayed on the screen, and this is extremely important. The full key will be shown only once. Copy it immediately and store it in a secure place, such as a reputable password manager or your project's secret management system. For your protection, Sendgrid will not show you the full key again later, so if you lose it, you'll need to create a new one. After you've safely stored your key, you're ready to use it in your application's configuration or integration settings.